Hi my friends, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be going over the next three letters, T, U, and V. We're going to learn how it sounds, see how it looks, practice writing it, and then I'm going to show you some words that start with those letters. Are you ready for the first one? Alright, the first letter is T. Now as you can see in this picture, T is tap dancing. That's to explain what we're going to be doing with our tongue. We're going to be tapping it at the top of our mouth, like this. Now there's another letter that does a similar tapping with the tongue at the top of the mouth, and that is the letter D. D and T are partner sounds, which means our mouth and what we do with our tongue are the same. The difference is one has their voice on and one has their voice off. So let's get our mouth ready. Put your tongue at the top of your mouth behind your teeth, like this. Very good. Now, we are going to first turn our voice on to see what sound we get. All right, ready? Here we go. D. D. That sounds like the letter D. Let's see what happens when we turn our voice off. Ready? Put your hand on your throat to make sure that there is no vibrations. Get your mouth ready. That is the letter T sound. Now when we do the letter T sound, our hand motion is going to be two little fingers tap dancing like the letter T is doing. Ready? Let's do the letter T sound 3 times together. Ready? Go. T, t, t. Very good. Now we're going to see how it looks. The letter T is very similar. There are 2 lines we make in both the uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase and lowercase are both the same size. They are both tall. But the line that goes horizontal is different. Let's practice writing it. Alright, when we do uppercase T, we're going to start all the way at the top and make one long line going down, like this. Down. Now, uppercase T has a horizontal line at the very top, so it's going to look like this. Line. Very good. Let's do it together. Grab a marker and start all the way at the top and draw one big line going down like this. Down. Very good. Let's do the top line and across. Very good. Let's do lowercase t now. We're doing the same motions. We're going to start all the way at the top and draw one long line going down, like this. Down. But the horizontal line we're going to do is going to be smaller and in the middle, looking like this. Across. Let's do it again. Grab your marker, start all the way at the top, and go down, and let's do the little line going across. Across. Very good. You just wrote the letter T. Alright, here are some words that start with the letter T. I'm going to show you the picture, and you try to tell me what is it a picture of. Ready? What's this a picture of? That's right. This is a turtle. Ooh, here's another one. It's another animal. Ready? What's this animal? That's right. This is a tiger. Here's the next one. What is this a picture of? Now I know you probably know what these individual things are, like a hammer, a screwdriver, and I'm not sure what that one is. But all of these are tools. Last one, ready? What is this a picture of? That's right, this is a tomato. Very good, my friends. Let's move on to the next letter. The next letter is U. Now, as you can see right here, U is a little toddler. He's very small, and he wants to get picked up by his mom or dad. So what we're going to do with our hands is we're going to put our hands like this, like we want to get picked up. And also, as you can see, my hands kind of make a U shape. When we make the U sound, our voices are going to be turned on and our mouths are going to be open. The sound is like this. So we're going to do it 3 times. Ready? Go. Nice. Let me show you what the letter U looks like now. Letter U looks very similar to each other in this picture. Uppercase U is taller and lowercase u is shorter. And as you can see, lowercase u has a little tail. Let's practice writing it. All right, my friends, when we do uppercase U, we're going to start all the way at the top. And we're going to make it kind of look like a swing you would want to sit on at the park. Starting at the top, we're going to go down, turn, and up. Let's do that together. Grab your marker. We're going to start all the way at the top and down, turn, up. Very good. This is uppercase U. Now when we do lowercase u, we're almost doing the same thing, except we're going to add a little tail, like this. Starting in the middle, we're going to go down, turn, up, don't pick up the marker, and tail. Let's do that again. Starting in the middle, we're going to go down, turn, up, and tail. Very good. You just wrote the letter U. Now I'm going to show you some pictures of words that start with the letter U. Ready? Do you know what this is a picture of? Now these are clothings, but these are specific clothings that you might wear at school. This is called a uniform. What are these a picture of? I'll give you a hint. You wear these under your pants. It's underwear. What about this picture? Right, this is an umbrella. Last one. This may be tricky. I'll give you a hint. You see this person at baseball games. This is an umpire. Nice job. Let's go to the last letter. This is one of my favorites. This is the letter V. And as you can see, V is dressed up like a vampire. You can see his teeth. And his teeth are actually biting his lip. Can you tell me another letter where we have to bite our lip like that? If you said letter F, you're right. Both of these letters are partners, which means our mouths are going to be set up the same, biting our lower lip. But the difference is, one has their voice turned on and one has it turned off. Got to figure out which one is the letter V. Let's start by turning our voice off and see what sound we make. So we're going to bite our lower lip and puff out some air like this. Let's do that again. What letter do you think that sounds like? That's the letter F. So that must mean that letter V needs to have its voice turned on. Let's go ahead, set up our mouth the same, puff out the air, but this time turn our voice on. Ready? That's the sound for letter V. Now for our hand motion, what we're going to do is we're going to make spooky hands like this, like a vampire. Let's go ahead and do the sound 3 times together. Ready? Go. Nicely done. Now, this is what letter V looks like. Letter V looks very similar. In fact, we do the same motion for both uppercase and lowercase, but there's a difference. Can you tell me what the difference is between uppercase and lowercase V? If you said one is taller and one is shorter, you're right. let's go ahead and practice how to write the letter V. All right, when we're writing uppercase V, we're going to start all the way at the top, and we're doing 2 diagonal lines, like this. Diagonal, diagonal. And that's it. Let's do it together. Grab your marker, start all the way at the top, and diagonal, diagonal. Nice. Let's do lowercase v. Lowercase v is the same thing, except we're going to make it smaller. So instead of starting all the way at the top, we're going to start in the middle. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 2 diagonals, like this. Diagonal, diagonal. Let's do it again, together. Grab your marker, start in the middle, and diagonal, diagonal. Nice, you just wrote the letter V. All right, we're gonna do the words that start with letter V. Let's see if you can guess what they are. Ready? What is this a picture of? Now this is a type of ball. It's not a basketball. It's not a football. This is a volleyball. What are these? I'll give you a hint. They're either fruits or vegetables. Right, these are vegetables. What's this? This is a violin. Last one, ready? What is this? I'll give you a hint. It's not a small car. It's a van. Nice job, guys. You did so well. If you're a part of my class this school year, I just want you to know how much I miss you and all the rest of the teachers as well. I hope to see you soon. But until then, I'll see you in my next video.